Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yewande Lawal. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I created this look I wore to a friend's party over the weekend. And if you'd like to see how I created this look, then please make sure to keep watching till the end. Without further ado, let's get right into the reason you're here today. To prep my skin, I'm going in with the Mario Badescu facial spray. This is to hydrate my skin. Next up, I'm just brushing my brows upward using a brow tamer and also a spoolie. To moisturize my face, I'm using the Embryolisse moisturizer, and this moisturizer is actually amazing because it serves as a moisturizer and primer. Moving on, I'm using the e.l.f. eye cream and I'm applying this under my eye area, and this is to avoid any form of crease when I apply my concealer. To prime my face, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and I'm just applying this all over my T-zone. After this, I'm going in with my one size setting powder and I'm just going to apply this all over my face to achieve a long-lasting makeup and also to avoid sweat all day. For foundation, I'm using the NARS Natural Radiance foundation in shade Caracas, and I like to use this foundation because it gives me that full coverage but natural finish. And I'm applying this all over my face using the e.l.f. beauty blender. You can use a brush if you like. For me, it just depends on how I feel and it depends on what I have around me at the moment. So I'm just blending this all over my face. To contour my face and add more definition to my face, I am using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in shade Cool Deep, and I'm just applying this slightly above my cheekbone and my forehead. I apply this to create a slimmer face. Now that I have contoured my face, next up I'm moving in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in shade Maple, and I'm just going to apply this in areas where I want to brighten, which is my under eye, my forehead, my jaw, and below my cheekbone. Now I am just blending my concealer in place without moving out of the areas where I have applied the concealer. You have to take your time to blend your concealer to avoid any form of creasing. As you can see, I am taking my time to do the same. For blush, I'm using the Covergirl blush in two shades. I can't remember the names, but I'm going to leave the details to all products below. And at some point I wanted to intensify the blush, but I think it got out of hand, but never mind, we're going to correct it. To set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder and I'm applying this in areas where we have highlighted. That's the under eye. I'm going to apply this on my chin, my forehead. To fill in my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade and I'm just going to use this to fill in my brows. I prefer to use a brow gel because it helps my brows to stay in place all day as to using a pencil, but you can use whatever works for you. And now I'm highlighting my brow using the same concealer I used earlier to highlight my face. Before I move on to my eyeshadow, I decided to bake my under eye area using the Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder. I like to use a translucent powder because it helps me to achieve that bright under eye that I want. However, you can also go in with a setting powder of your choice, but for me, I just prefer to use a translucent powder. And here I'm just applying it under my eye area. I'm also going to go in with it again to intensify the inner corners of my eye area. For my eyes, I wanted to create something glam but at the same time not too loud. And today I'm using the Coffee Shop palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using two different shades of brown and also a nude color to achieve this eye look. To add shimmer to my eyelid, I am using the Ulta Beauty Gel Chrome, and I'm just applying this with a brush on my eyelid. Then I'm going back into that brown shade to blend out my under eye area. To line my eyes, I'm using the Sephora liquid eyeliner. I will leave the details to all products below as well as links to where you can get all the products. Now that the eyeshadow is done, I'm moving on to apply my false lash. For lip, I'm lining my lip using a black lip liner. I know that sounds weird, but hear me out, guys. So I wanted to create a nude look. However, the brown lipstick I wanted to use isn't as deep as I wanted it to be. So I decided to line my lip with a black lipstick and go on it with the brown lipstick. That way I get that deep color that I really want. So right now I'm using the NYX lipstick in shade Rose of the Day. I'm going in with the Milani Stay Put lipstick and also the Milani Amore Satin Matte. I'm mixing these two together to achieve the exact color of nude that I want. Can you see how nice the lip looks? You can't even tell that I used a black lip liner. The excess powder under my eye, I'm just using a fluffy brush to achieve this, and I'm just going to gently dust off all the translucent powder that I have left under my eye area. To lock in my makeup, I'm using the new L'Oreal setting spray, and I'm just applying this all over my face. Next off, I'm applying mascara on my upper and lower lash. To add a bit of shine to this look, I'm using this highlighter from a Nigerian brand called Newborn Beauty. I'm going to leave the link to the products below so you can check them out as well. And I'm just applying this lightly above the area where I applied my blush. This is the outcome, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed creating this look. And if you enjoyed watching, then please make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like, and also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe so you know when I drop a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.